Let's review how to configure validation and conditional activation rules for local delivery method. Start by navigating to your app settings. Select the local delivery settings. Under Delivery Conditions, you can set up conditions based on total order value or total order weight. Use more than or less than option with enable or disable local delivery method. For this configuration example, we will choose to make local delivery visible only if the customer's total order value is more than 600. Don't forget to save the configuration. Once configuration successfully saved, go to front-end cart page. Refresh the cart page. Now, select Local Delivery Method. You can see it showing a prompt error that a minimum of 600 is required. If the customer updates the item quantity to raise the overall order value above the threshold, reaching 1,000 in this case, the error clears dynamically. Now, allowing the buyer to pick their preferred date and time slot. Returning to our app. You can also establish additional target parameters based on product type, vendors, or product tags. Let's set up product type condition. Local delivery method only enable if the product type is furniture. Don't forget to save the configuration. Let's switch back to the front end to test how the app widget handles an unmapped item type. Refresh the web page to load the active store rules. Clicking on local delivery now prompts a notification stating that delivery is not available because the present items fail the rule criteria. If you want to hide the local delivery method if rule criteria not matched, click on this checkbox. Save it before check on front end. This tells the application to completely hide the local delivery method if rule criteria not matched. Refresh the cart page. Upon reloading the page, the local delivery option disappears entirely since our current demo product type is not the furniture.